In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Godaddy domain to Netlify. If you're ready to take your website live, this is an essential skill that will help you bridge the gap between your domain host and your web hosting platform. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled in some web work, this process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you want to ensure you have both a Godaddy account with a registered domain and a Netlify account set up and ready. Once that's confirmed, log into your Godaddy account and access your domain dashboard. You'll need to locate the specific domain name you plan to connect to Netlify. It should prominently appear on your domains list. With your chosen domain in sight, you'll be looking for the DNS records option. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and this is what we need to update. Usually, you can access this from the Manage DNS settings next to your domain. Click that, and it will bring you to your DNS management page. On this page, you'll see a list of records. It's where we'll be adding a few crucial details to make the connection work. Now, it's time to switch gears and head over to your Netlify account. Once logged in, navigate to the site's dashboard. Pick the site you wish to connect to your domain, and from there, go into the site settings. You're looking for the Domain Management option, and under it, you should find Add Custom Domain. Here, you'll type in your Godaddy domain name and click Verify. It helps Netlify to understand which domain you're associating with your site. After you've done this, Netlify provides you with an array of DNS target details. These details are essentially unique identifiers that tell Godaddy where to point your domain. Head back over to your Godaddy DNS management page and look for the option to Add Record or adjust the existing DNS records. You'll need to configure the name and a record with the information provided by Netlify. Typically, the name might be something like www associated with a URL provided by Netlify, and a record might link directly to an IP address. Always be careful when handling these records. One misstep can cause the link not to work properly. Once you've entered all the necessary details as provided by Netlify, save your settings. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours for DNS changes to propagate across the web. Be patient. If you've followed these steps, your domain will soon link perfectly with your Netlify hosted site. Remember, successfully connecting your domain to your website is a crucial step in ensuring your online presence is not only professional but also secure and reliable. Thank you for watching, and happy web hosting.